Good morning, teachers. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Cami. So Cami is a new thing that we're going to get from central office, and it basically is a little Chrome extension that will allow you to write onto PDFs or really anything else. It could be screenshots or Word documents, anything that you have on your computer, you can bring it up in Cami. So the students already have Cami, so when they get an assignment, you can tell them, okay, open it up with Cami. Okay, so how do you get Cami onto your own computer if you're not working from your Chromebook, if you're working on your desktop, let's say? You'll have to go to the Chrome Web Store and you type in Cami and then get the Chrome extension. Okay, so after you have it, then you can go on your computer and you start an assignment with Cami. So click on the K on the top of your screen on the top right. You'll see your Chrome extensions and the K will show up and you will be able to use Cami. So you can import things from your Google Drive or the OneDrive just from your computer, or you can go directly in there and create a classroom assignment. Now, in order to do that, you will have to get the free trial first. So the trial is good for 3 months, which is plenty of time for you to play around with before we get this program. So I'm going to show you how to create a simple assignment. So you simply click the classes you want to assign this to. So German A and B. All right, you can give it a due date or schedule it now. Choose your topic. Well, I'm just doing this for an example, so I'm not going to do that. So then you can go in your Google Drive to pick up your document or one that you have on the computer. So I'm going to go on that one. I took a little screenshot of a map just to show you all. So then, okay, see how it's attached now? So now, do you see how it says make a copy for each student? So it automatically chooses that option, which is awesome. We need to give it a title, of course. I'm going to call this Bundesländer. Okay. And now we're going to assign it. This takes a minute. It's not instant. Okay. So now I'm going to go on my Google Classroom and I'm going to look at this assignment. Okay, so it says right here that I posted the new assignment. So then I'm going to go on, look at the instructions so I can click on that. Okay, then on the top right, it says open with Cami. So I have to do that. Open with Cami. Okay, now you need to run the OCR. This takes a minute. This will allow me to actually write on here. Okay, so now, okay, I can pick the text box or I can draw. So let's say I do a text box. So I can go over here and I can figure out which one of these numbers here is Baden-Württemberg or Bayern, Berlin, Brandenburg, and so forth. So for the students, okay, if they pick this up from their Chromebook, okay, you have to tell them that once they are finished putting in all their answers, then they need to hit the refresh button. So I'm going to reload this thing. Okay, and you think, oh no, now all my answers are gone? No. After the students put in all their answers, after they refresh it, that will make it ready to be shared. And then they have a little button up there that says turn in, and they can turn it in. So one thing that I found with my students is that if somebody's having trouble, they kind of assist each other. So, just let the students show each other where the different buttons are to turn this in. But it works pretty smoothly. And so this is a good way for you to pick up anything from your computer and annotate over it. You can also use this with your Promethean board. So I could have students actually go up there if I put it on drawing, and the students could actually write the answers up on the Promethean board. So it's kind of cool. All right, so this is Cami. I'm excited about Cami.